Hi friends, in this video I would be showing 5 methods to fix phone is not turning on, not starting and blank screen, all these issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. Method 1, connect power cable, then keep this phone in this charging condition for around 2 to 3 hours even if you are not seeing this charging symbol here. Even if you are not seeing this charging icon or symbol, keep this phone like this in this charging condition for around 2 to 3 hours. After that you can just try to turn on the phone. That should work. So this is the method 1. Okay, let me go to method 2. Method 2, after 2 to 3 hours of charging, just tap on the phone body. We can just tap, then just press. So everywhere you can just press, then tap. Okay, so after that you can just try to turn on the phone. That should work. Okay, so this is a method 2. Let me go to method 3. Method 3, again connect this power cable, then try to turn on the phone while phone is in the charging condition. So here you can see I have connected this power cable. So while charging, press and hold power button and try to turn on the phone. The phone will start. That way we can confirm that the phone battery has some issue. If that is the case, we have to replace the battery. Okay, this is a method 3. Let me go to method 4. Method 4, press and hold volume up and power button together. When we see logo here, at that time we can release the power button and keep holding the volume up button. So let me do that. Press and hold volume up and power button together. Press and hold. Now we can see the logo. Release the power button. Keep pressing the volume up button. So when we see the main menu, that time we can release the volume up button. See, we can see the main menu here. Here in this main menu, using volume up and down button, we can navigate. For selection, for confirm the selection, we can use the power button. Just to reboot the phone, just select the reboot, then press power button and reboot the phone. Then check. So that is the method 4. If method 4 also not working, then we can try method 5. Method 5. Again come here in this main menu. You can again press and hold volume up and power button and we can come here. Then using volume down button, select wipe data, then press power button, then here select wipe all data, then press power button. Here you should be careful because this operation would delete all data from your phone, your videos, images, accounts, apps, everything. So this is actually a hard reset. So please take backup of your data, and if you have backup in cloud, you can just try wipe all data, then you can check. So these are method 5. So these are 5 methods. Please check it.